Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alex. If you are new, hi, hello, welcome to my kind of YouTube universe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If I want you to do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, yeah, and subscribe. So today we're going to be doing a 3-strand twist out. You guys can see the result. This is how it turned out. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Okay, so today we're going to attend a 3-strand twist out. If you guys don't know what that is, I will definitely educate you guys on what it is and how it look. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it come out good. So yeah, today we'll be using my favorite leave-in conditioner and a small container of the Wetline Extreme. So I don't want this hairstyle to do too flat, so I want it to be kind of fluffy. So that's why I'm going to go in with mostly leave-in than the gel. Okay, so as you guys can see, my hair is sectioned off. I sectioned it into 4. That's how I normally start styling my hair after my wash day. If you guys have never seen my wash day video, I will definitely link it in the card. So I guess that's some stuff. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to start off with this section. Right? So this is my hair after just deep conditioner. So there's no product on my hair. I just wanted to get to show you guys, you know, it's frizzy, but at the same time it is very soft. So yeah, definitely check out my wash day routine. Okay, so I don't want them to be too small, so I'm gonna go in and spray some water. Not too much though. Right? Do a little bit of finger detangling. A small amount, definitely a quarter size. You guys are not seeing this because the light is so bright, but I'm not using a lot. You're gonna work that in. Okay, so after you finish working in the leave-in or the whatever styling product you're going to use, then you're going to go in with your comb. I'm going in with a small tooth comb because I already detangled my hair countless times, so I know I do not have a lot of knots and tangles, so I can go in with this comb. Okay, then we're going to go in with a small amount, legit, just a small amount of gel. I'm really reconsidering my options. I don't like how my gel and my leave-in is blending. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But okay. So you're gonna take 3 pieces, right? Separate your hair in 3 pieces. Try to get it as even as possible, and then you're going to go up, over, over. So the aim is to get the one at the end to cross over. So over, over. For a lot of persons, they usually start off with a braid to get the root as flat as possible, and sometimes it helps them to go straight into the 3-strand twist. But if you have done it or practiced, it comes easy. But if you are new to it, I suggest that you try starting off with a braid first, and then you start going in with the 3-strand twist. Once you reach to the end, you coil it around your fingers And boom, that's the first twist. You see, the root is puffy. So for some persons, they usually start off with a braid to make sure that they get the root flat, but I'm going to go in with the pick and fluff the root, so there's no need for me to get it flat to pick it out. Nah. So I don't have a problem with it, but this is our first twist. So I'm deciding to go in, just to go in with my leave-in all over this section, so that while every other section is waiting, the leave-in can somewhat marinate, if I'm making sense. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is my hair with all the twists in. I did tell you guys that the root is going to be puffy, and to eliminate this problem, if you see it as a problem, then you can start in with a braid, because that will flatten the root. But I don't have a problem with it because I will be going in with my pick and fluffing it out, so makes no sense to me. But I wanted to come on camera and show you guys how my twists are looking. I have never done a full head of 3-strand twist, so I'm definitely curious to how it's going to look, but I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, so I am going to see you guys tomorrow or the day after, whichever day my hair is 100% dry, because that is the aim. If your hair is not 100% dry, leave it. Don't pull it out. Don't you dare pull that out, because it's going to be one hot frizzy mess, and then you're just going to waste your time. Your ear is just going to last you, what, a day? Did you do all that for a day, hairstylist? Nah, not me. But anyway, so yeah, I'll see you guys when my hair is dry. Okay guys, so it is time to unravel my twist. It has been in my hair for approximately 48 hours. Okay, so it's time to take it down. So I'm going to use my coconut oil. This is coconut oil in the bottle, but so yeah, don't really melt the bottle, but it's coconut oil in it. So you're going to take out the bonnet, of course, duh. And this is how we're looking. So we're just going to take a small portion of oil, and then you're going to put this all over. Then take your scrunchie, put up some, and start unraveling. Okay? Okay, so this is gonna be the first one. You're just gonna twist it around, like unravel it. Okay. This is how it's looking. Okay. This is cute. It's different, but it's cute. Okay, so where you're unraveling, you try to look for parts that would naturally separate by itself, okay? To make sure you minimize frizz. Look at that. Look at this. Like, what? This is cute. Anyways, so I'm just gonna breeze through unraveling these, because you guys know how I unravel my hair. You guys have watched countless videos, so yeah. Okay, my lovely, so this is the final result. I think right here could I use some more pick, but yeah, this is how it looks. I'm not going to do, go overboard because I want this to last me a while. So yeah, so this is how it turns out. Tell me guys if you like it. This is a 3-strand twist out. Tell me if you guys would like to try it. If you do, don't forget to post it on IG and tag me so I can see it and put it on my story. So yeah, this is the final result, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a friend. So yes, thank you guys so much. And I want that time to say thank you guys so much. It's ridiculous, but I really like it. I really do. Like, it's giving me body. Girl. So yeah, I'm gonna close this video. Bye guys, see you guys in my next upload.